Hi, Matt Baier of Matt Baier Organizing, and I want to show you just how easy it is to do a video consultation. First, we schedule a time to meet, just like a regular consultation, but instead I send a Zoom invitation in your email at our chosen time. You don't need to have the Zoom application installed. Just go to your email on your smartphone and look for the Matt Baier Organizing Virtual Consultation subject line and click on the blue link. That's it. If invited to turn on audio, touch Yes. You'll see two little dots at the bottom center of your screen. Press on those to bring up your controls. We'll talk a bit about your organizing challenges and your time frame, but the best way to do an organizing estimate is to see the pain points. Now position your phone horizontally, like this. If you forget, I'll remind you. So look for the icon at the top of your screen of the little camera with the circular arrows. Touch on that and that should reverse the view. I'll need to take some photos for internal reference only. Stand just outside the doorway of a room that needs help so I can get a good overview of the room. Hold your phone still for 3 seconds so I can get a screenshot. Next, please step into the center of the room and get a good straight-on view of one wall and hold for 3 seconds. Then rotate to the next 3 walls and hold for 3 seconds each time. If there is one particularly concentrated area that I should see, focus on it for 3 seconds. Don't forget to share any clutter on the floor. The excess has to go somewhere, so I may want to see the garage for discards and donates, and the basement and attic for remote storage possibilities. I then want to share a couple diagrams to go over how we work and our rate sheet to explain our costs. If you're ready, we can schedule a session right on the spot. Hope to virtually see you soon.